Hyperspectral imagers are crucial tools for a wide range of sciences. They provide this rich spatial and spectral information, so they're used in a huge range of fields, from human psychophysics and animal vision to fields like agriculture and optical physics. But these devices are typically really expensive, tens of thousands of pounds. But the ones you can buy often also have a range of limitations that make them difficult to use in certain situations. In particular, for those working with low light or in cases where you need ultraviolet as well as human visual ranges, the current available options are not particularly effective and have some severe limitations. So I developed HOSI, which is a hyperspectral open source imager. It's a simple but powerful device. It costs about £350 or a bit less than $500. You can build this device yourself using 3D printed parts and off-the-shelf components, and then it can be connected and run directly from a smartphone for really easy use in the field, or you can connect it directly to a computer. It has this graphical user interface that provides a wide range of tools for specifying the image capture settings and viewing the output, but also for exporting the different types of data you might need. So it can do, for example, radiance or reflectance spectra, or you can export cone catch images for whichever animal you work on. Check out the project yourself at GitHub and check out the assembly and calibration videos too if you're planning to make your own.